Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to start trading cryptocurrency like a pro using Tradingview. If you've ever wondered how to navigate Tradingview to find the best crypto charts and tools, or maybe you're just getting started and feel a little lost with so many features, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your crypto trading workspace, add top indicators, build a personalized watch list, and screen for the best coins to trade, all inside Tradingview. Alright, let's get right into it. Now, if you want to be a crypto trader on Tradingview, the very first thing you need to understand is that you'll be focusing only on cryptocurrency symbols. So rather than getting lost in stocks or forex pairs, you'll want to filter just for crypto. One popular example would be AVAX, which is Avalanche's token. This narrowing down is important because it keeps your workspace relevant and uncluttered. Think of it as organizing your desk so you only have what you actually need right in front of you. Once you've picked a crypto symbol, your next step is to enhance your chart with indicators. So head over to the Indicators button at the top of your Tradingview chart. Here's a common beginner mistake: don't just grab any indicator, you'll want one specifically designed for cryptocurrency markets. The reason is, crypto markets respond differently than stocks, especially with volatility and liquidity. So when you open the Indicators window, use the search bar and type in keywords like blockchain. This will show you indicators that are tailored for tracking crypto trends. Take a moment to browse through and choose the one that aligns with your trading style. For instance, you might find sentiment trackers, on-chain metrics, or volatility indices that give special insights not available in traditional financial markets. Don't rush this part. Getting the right indicator can really impact your trading decisions. Now let's organize the assets you're interested in. To do this, go to your watch list, usually found on the right-hand side of your Tradingview screen. The watch list is like your personal shortlist. It helps you monitor chosen coins at a glance without having to search for them each time. To add a new token, simply hit the plus button, type in something like AVAX, and select the specific pair or market you want. For example, you might pick AVAX USDT if you're tracking against Tether. This way, whenever you log in, your favorite cryptos are right there, ready for your analysis. Next up, let's take our search a step further by using Tradingview's built-in crypto screener. From the homepage, find the Products menu and then select Screener. Here, where things get powerful. Make sure you set the screener to crypto coins. This filters out everything except digital assets. On this screener, you'll see dozens, if not hundreds, of coins, and you can use filters and different metrics to find exactly the coins that fit your strategy, whether you care about volume, price movement, or unique blockchain stats. Think of it like using a metal detector at the beach to find only the coins you want, instead of sifting through every piece of sand. Once you spot a coin you're interested in on the screener, you can select a specific trading pair, like AVAX paired with Bitcoin or the US dollar. Paying attention to pairs is crucial because it impacts your trading setup and how you'll interpret the charts. Finally, for some quick visual market insights, go back to the homepage, head to Products, then select Screen and choose the crypto heatmap. The heatmap is fantastic for spotting trends at a glance. You'll see which coins are surging, which are dropping, all color-coded for easy understanding. It's like seeing the weather forecast for the markets right there in front of you. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this breakdown helps you set up your Tradingview account for smarter, more organized crypto trading. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.